Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. In today's video, I'm going to unbox a Matchbox car. And any guesses which I'm going to unbox? I'll be unboxing this. That is the green Porsche 911 Targa. And this is there in a very different packaging. If you see, this has come in the authentic or the old style of Matchbox packaging, and this is not new, guys. This packaging has been there from a lot of time, and Matchbox has been doing it. Before I unbox this wonderful car, I would want to show you a few other details. So looking at the details here, the month and year of manufacturing is 11/20/25, and then the month and year of import is 12/20/25, and the MRP is 179. So overall, I love the packaging here, and then here it says Porsche official licensed product. So that is a very cool one. And look at the art here. The artwork is great. And now I'm going to unbox this live in the video. So before I do that, I would urge you to please like, comment and subscribe. Do check out my other videos, follow us on Instagram. And now without wasting time, let me unbox this beautiful casting. And in this video, I'm not just going to unbox this casting. I'll be telling you what exactly makes this car very special and what are the specifications of this car. So you'll not just be seeing the unboxing video, you'll also learn few things about the car. So that is the motive of this video. So I'll probably open it just with my hands. So let's do it, guys. So I'm going to unbox this beautiful casting from Matchbox, and you can always put it back in. That is another very cool thing. So here it is there. So there lies our beautiful car, and 3, 2, 1. Here it is. It is such a beautiful casting, and Matchbox has been doing a wonderful job. Look how the paint job is. Look at the painted headlights. Look at the logo display so well. The green color is so epic. And then look at the rear end details, guys. You even have the number plate detailing there. You have the Porsche written there, and overall a very nice casting, and it is so nice. So now telling a few details about this car. So what does Targa actually mean? So Targa is the Italian for number plate, and then I told you I'll be telling you about the engine detailing. The engine detailing for this is it features a 3.6 liter flat 6 engine, and then it produces a massive 532 horsepower. And not just that, this can in just 3 seconds it can go from the 0 to 100. So that is another very crazy thing. Even the interiors are so cool, and look how nice it is. Many of them are very crazy for it, and guys, this is there in huge quantities, so don't fall for FOMO. So I have done the unboxing video of the Matchbox. So now let's do the rolling test. So let's see how well it actually rolls. So this is the Matchbox main line. It is just that it is there in the different packaging. So it rolls very well, and more than anything, I love the paint job, and for the paint job I'll rate the car 10 on 10. And look at that, you have even the gas tank details, and look how nice it is. So it is so cool. I love the rear end here, and Matchbox has done a very great job, and this is worth the 179 rupees. So do let me know in comments which one is your favorite ones from the new Matchbox release in India, and there'll be more unboxing videos coming, so stay tuned for that. Like, comment and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.